The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 12:30 a.m. At 11:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Strausstown to near Manhattan, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Singing Spring, Laureldale, Womelsdorf, Wernersville, Topton, Robertsonia, Maysport, Shoemakersville, Valley, Burnville, Bechtelsville, Lyons, Strausstown, and Lenhartsville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 299. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 44. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Sunday for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania,